Lalsot is a small town nestled in the heart of Rajasthan. Despite its modest size, it holds a wealth of charm and character that captivates anyone who visits. The town is a perfect blend of tradition and tranquility, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. It is located in the Dausa district of Rajasthan, a region known for its rich cultural heritage and historical significance. The district itself is a tapestry of stories and traditions that have been passed down through generations. This state is in India, a country renowned for its diversity and vibrant culture. Rajasthan, in particular, stands out with its majestic palaces, colourful festivals, and warm hospitality. Lalsot has a unique charm that is evident in its quaint streets and picturesque corners. Every nook and cranny of this town tells a story. From the ancient architecture to the vibrant local markets, it is peaceful and welcoming, with an atmosphere that makes you feel at home. The locals are often seen sitting and chatting, enjoying the simple pleasures of life. The town has a rural atmosphere that is both refreshing and calming. The traditional village houses and expansive fields paint a picture of a life that is closely connected to nature. Life moves at a slower pace here, allowing you to truly savor each moment. The daily activities are unhurried, reflecting a lifestyle that values quality over quantity. The people are friendly and welcoming, always ready to share a smile or a story. Their warmth and hospitality are a testament to the town's close-knit community. Lalsot is a place to relax and enjoy simple pleasures. Whether it's sipping tea with a friend or taking a leisurely stroll, the town offers countless opportunities to unwind and connect with others. The town is surrounded by beautiful landscapes that are a feast for the eyes. The fields and greenery create a serene backdrop that enhances the town's tranquil vibe. You can see the Aravalli Hills from afar, adding a majestic touch to the scenery. These hills are not just a visual treat, but also hold a significant place in the region's history and culture. These hills add to the scenic beauty of Lalsot, making it a picturesque destination. The combination of the town's charm and the natural beauty of the hills creates a perfect setting for relaxation and reflection. They also have historical significance, with ancient landmarks and ruins that tell tales of a bygone era. Exploring these sites offers a glimpse into the rich history that has shaped the region. Lalsot is a hidden gem of Rajasthan, often overlooked but brimming with beauty and charm. It is a place where you can experience the true essence of rural India. It offers a glimpse into rural Indian life, showcasing traditional activities and customs that have been preserved over time. The town is a living museum of cultural heritage. The town is full of history, culture, and natural beauty. From historical sites to cultural events and stunning landscapes, Lalsot has something to offer for everyone. It is a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously, creating a unique and enriching experience for all who visit. Lalsot has a rich history. Nestled in the heart of Rajasthan, this quaint town is a treasure trove of stories waiting to be told. From its bustling markets to its serene temples, every corner of Lalsot whispers tales of a bygone era. It was once an important center of trade. Merchants from far and wide would gather here, bringing with them exotic goods and vibrant tales from distant lands. The market streets, now bustling with modern-day vendors, still echo the lively barter and trade that once defined the town's economy. The town was ruled by different dynasties over the centuries. Each dynasty, with its unique culture and traditions, left an indelible mark on Lalsot. The remnants of these eras can be seen in the ancient fort ruins and the old palaces that stand as silent witnesses to the town's storied past. Each dynasty left its mark on Lalsot. The architectural styles of these monuments reflect the diverse influences that have shaped the town. From the intricate carvings of the Rajputs to the grandiose structures of the Mughals, Lalsot is a mosaic of historical artistry. The town has several old temples and forts. These structures are not just places of worship or defense, they are repositories of history, each with its own story to tell. The temples, with their serene ambience, offer a glimpse into the spiritual life of the town's ancestors. These structures tell stories of the past. The detailed carvings on the temple walls depict scenes from ancient epics, while the fort walls with their battle scars speak of the town's strategic importance in times of conflict. They showcase the architectural styles of different eras. Each building, with its unique design, is a testament to the town's rich architectural heritage. The varied styles reflect the changing tastes and influences of the different dynasties that ruled Lalsot. The Siddhi Vinayak temple is a popular religious site in Lalsot. Dedicated to Lord Ganesha, the temple is a beacon of faith and devotion. Its majestic entrance, adorned with intricate carvings, welcomes devotees from all walks of life. The temple is dedicated to Lord Ganesha, The idol of Ganesha, with its serene expression, is a source of inspiration and solace for many. Devotees flock to the temple, seeking blessings and offering prayers. It is known for its beautiful architecture. The temple's facade, with its detailed carvings and ornate designs, is a marvel of craftsmanship. Each element of the architecture tells a story, adding to the temple's spiritual and aesthetic appeal. The temple is visited by many devotees throughout the year. Festivals and special occasions see the temple grounds filled with people, all united in their devotion and reverence for Lord Ganesha. It is a place of peace and spirituality. The serene ambience of the temple provides a perfect setting for meditation and prayer. For many, it is a sanctuary where they can find solace and connect with the divine. Lalsot's historical sites are fascinating. Each site offers a unique glimpse into the town's rich history. Visitors can explore the ancient ruins and imagine the lives of those who once walked these paths. They offer a glimpse into the town's glorious past. The historical landmarks are not just remnants of the past. They are windows into the lives, cultures, and traditions that have shaped Lalsot over the centuries. They are a testament to the rich cultural heritage of the region. The architectural marvels, the bustling markets, and the serene temples all come together to tell the story of Lalsot, a town where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. Lalsot is blessed with natural beauty. Nestled in the heart of Rajasthan, this quaint town is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. The serene environment and the lush greenery make it a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The air here is fresh and the atmosphere is calm, providing a sense of peace and tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. The town is surrounded by the Aravalli Hills, one of the oldest mountain ranges in the world. These hills not only add to the scenic beauty of Lalsot, but also play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of the region. The Aravalli Hills are a natural barrier against the desertification of the area, ensuring that the land remains fertile and green. These hills provide a stunning backdrop, making every view a picturesque scene straight out of a painting. The dramatic landscapes with their rugged terrain and lush vegetation are a sight to behold. The hills change colors with the seasons, offering a new and breathtaking view every time you visit. They are home to a variety of flora and fauna. The rich biodiversity of the Aravalli Hills is a testament to the region's ecological significance. From rare medicinal plants to vibrant wildflowers, the hills are a botanist's paradise. The diverse plant life supports an equally diverse range of wildlife, creating a balanced and thriving ecosystem. The rural landscape is dotted with fields and forests. The patchwork of agricultural fields and dense forests creates a unique and beautiful mosaic. The fields are often filled with crops like wheat, mustard and barley, which sway gently in the breeze, creating a mesmerizing effect. The forests, on the other hand, are dense and teeming with life, offering a stark contrast to the open fields. These areas are home to various species of birds and animals. Birdwatchers and wildlife enthusiasts will find Lalsot to be a haven. The skies are often filled with the calls of various birds, from the common sparrow to the majestic eagle. The forests and fields are alive with the rustling of small animals, each playing their part in the intricate web of life. You might spot peacocks, deer, and other wildlife. The sight of a peacock displaying its vibrant feathers or a herd of deer grazing peacefully is a common yet enchanting experience in Lalsot. These moments of wildlife encounters add to the charm and allure of the place, making every visit a memorable one. The natural beauty of Lalsot is truly captivating. Every corner of this town offers a new and delightful view. Whether it's the rolling hills, the lush fields, or the dense forests, there's always something to marvel at. The beauty of Lalsot lies not just in its landscapes, but also in the harmony between nature and the people who live here. The Aravalli Hills offer opportunities for hiking and trekking. Adventure enthusiasts will find plenty of trails to explore, each offering its own unique challenges and rewards. The trails wind through dense forests, open fields, and rugged terrains, providing a comprehensive experience of the region's natural beauty. Hiking in the Aravalli Hills is not just a physical activity, but also a journey of discovery and connection with nature. You can enjoy the fresh air and scenic views. The hilltops offer panoramic views of the surrounding landscapes, making the climb worth every effort. The fresh air, filled with the scent of wildflowers and the earthy aroma of the forests, rejuvenates the mind and body. It's a perfect place to unwind and soak in the beauty of nature. The hills are a great place to connect with nature. Whether you're hiking, birdwatching, or simply sitting and enjoying the view, the Aravalli Hills offer a serene and peaceful environment. It's a place where you can disconnect from the chaos of everyday life and reconnect with the natural world. Lalsot's natural environment is a welcome change from city life. The slow pace of life, the clean air and the beautiful landscapes provide a stark contrast to the noise and pollution of the city. It's a place where you can truly relax and rejuvenate away from the stresses of urban living. It offers peace, tranquility and a chance to appreciate nature's wonders. Lalsot is not just a place, it's an experience of nature's embrace, where every moment is filled with beauty, peace and a deep connection with the natural world. It's a place that stays with you long after you've left, calling you back to its serene landscapes and tranquil environment. Section 4. Beyond Lalsot's borders. There are several attractions near Lalsot. Madhogao Fort is one such place. It is a historical fort located a short distance from the town. The fort offers panoramic views of the surrounding area. The Bana River flows near Lalsot. It is a sacred river for Hindus. The river adds to the scenic beauty of the region. It is a lifeline for the agricultural activities in the area. These nearby attractions offer more to explore. They provide insights into the history, culture and natural beauty of the region. Section 5. Fields of Gold. Agriculture is the main occupation in Lalsot. The fertile land surrounding the town is ideal for farming. Farmers grow a variety of crops here. Wheat and mustard are major crops grown in Lalsot. During the harvest season, the fields turn into a sea of gold. The sight of these golden fields is truly mesmerizing. The agricultural landscape of Lalsot changes with the seasons. Each season brings its own unique beauty. The sight of farmers working in the fields is a reminder of the importance of agriculture. Section 6. When to witness the magic. Lalsot has a typical North Indian climate. Summers are hot and dry. Winters are cool and pleasant. The monsoon season brings rain. The best time to visit Lalsot is during the winter months. The weather is pleasant during this time. You can enjoy exploring the town and its surroundings. The monsoon season from July to September is also a good time to visit. The Aravalli Hills come alive with greenery. The weather is cooler and more refreshing. Section 7. Lalsot awaits. Lalsot is a hidden gem of Rajasthan. It offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. The town has a serene and peaceful atmosphere. You will experience rural life in India in Lalsot. The town is a great place to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. Whether you are interested in history, culture, or nature, Lalsot has something to offer. Come and discover the charm of this hidden gem. You'll be mesmerized by its beauty and tranquility.